Hello everyone! Всім привіт! Сьогодні у нас урок аудіювання Listening, Inventions and Discoveries. Зараз ви переглянете відео Best Scientist and Their Invention. Це відео без звуку. Ваше завдання – записати ім'я вченого та його винахід. Наприклад, Томас Альва Едісон – light bulb. Томас Альва Едісон – лампочка, якою ми користуємося з вами в повсякденному житті. Are you ready? Ви готові? So, let's start. Отже, почнемо. І так, ім'я і один із його винаходів. Ну що ж, я думаю, ви встигли записати і, думаю, ви запам'ятали, хто винайшов перший комп'ютер, а хто придумав цілу світову павутину www. А зараз я пропоную вам подивитися ще одне відео. 10 greatest scientists who changed the world. 10 чудових науковців, які змінили світ. Перегляньте відео та визначте, чим саме відомий той чи інший вчений. Вам треба буде з'єднати ім'я вченого із тим фактом, чим він відомий. Наприклад, Аристотель. Theoretical philosophy. Отже, переходимо до відео. Дивимося уважно.
Ten greatest scientists who changed the world. Number 10, Aristotle. He was a Greek philosopher and scientist, better known as the teacher of Alexander the Great. His writings constitute the first comprehensive system of Western philosophy, which includes views about morality and aesthetics, logic and science, politics and metaphysics. This system became the supporting pillar of both Islamic and Christian scholastic thought. Aristotle, developing one of the main topics of the pre-Socratic, believed that the world was built up of 5 basic elements: fire, earth, air, water and ether. Number 9, Galileo Galilei. He is called as the father of modern science because of his discoveries in astronomy and physics. He built his own telescope in 1609 and used it to study the cosmos, eventually concluding that Earth's solar system is heliocentric. Galileo's theories on motion were later used as the foundation of Isaac Newton's work. Number 8, Archimedes. He was a Greek mathematician, philosopher and inventor who wrote important works on geometry, arithmetic and mechanics. He is most famous for discovering the law of hydrostatics, sometimes known as Archimedes' principle, stating that a body immersed in fluid loses weight equal to the weight of the amount of fluid it displaces. He is supposed to have made this discovery when stepping into his bath, causing him to exclaim "Eureka!" Number 7, Michael Faraday. British citizen Michael Faraday was the son of a blacksmith who had to leave school in the 4th grade. But he developed a fascination with science and particularly in electricity after he studied a lot of serious academic works during his days. Faraday is especially known for his discoveries of electromagnetic conductions and rotations, field theory, diamagnetism and the magneto-optical effect. This humble genius invented the electric motor and Faraday's ring. He also wrote books on experimental researches in electricity, and the chemical history of the candle. Number 6, Thomas Alva Edison. He was forced to leave the school by his teacher after 3 months of official schooling. But he dreamed of a lamp that could be operated by electricity. He patented a whopping total of 1,093 inventions in his lifetime. Most of the inventions that came from Edison are batteries, phonographs, cement, mining, telegraphs, lights and powers. He also improved the telephone made by Graham Bell and invented the kinetoscope that was used for viewing moving films. Number 5, Marie Curie. When Marie Curie was 10 years old, her mother died. After this much of suffering, she holds record for the first female to be awarded with a Nobel Prize. Inventor and scientist Marie Curie has always remained a source of inspiration and motivation for different female scientists because of her determination to work. She invented the first mobile X-ray machine which helped to check the injured soldiers in the battlefield. Radium is another great invention from her. She is also called the mother of atom bomb with her invention of the radioactive materials. Number 4, Louis Pasteur. He was born in Dole, Jura, France, to a Catholic family of a poor tanner. But he made astounding contributions in the field of science, technology and medicine and spent his life working in chemistry and microbiology. He explained about biogenesis and proposed a theory named as the germ theory and created a process of toning and treating milk free from the damage-causing microbes to what he called pasteurization. Pasteur is also regarded as the first man on Earth to ever discover a cure for puerperal fever and make the vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Number 3, Nikola Tesla. He was a celibate his whole life. He had developed almost everything by himself and did not expose any of it, which later was invented by other scientists in his time. X-rays by Röntgen, radar by Watson Watt were all devised by Nikola Tesla. There was almost nothing that Tesla did not do. First hydroelectricity plant in Niagara Falls, experiments with cryogenic engineering were all built by Tesla. He was a future thinker and his minds would run on any wavelengths. Number 2, Isaac Newton. He was born 3 months after the death of his father, a prosperous farmer also named Isaac Newton. He explained the theory on tides which occurred due to the gravitation pull from the sun, moon and earth. He also invented the reflecting telescope. Newton's laws can be found in different areas of mechanics, Optics and chemistry. Newton explained the theory of gravity and gravitation by inventing calculus as no other principles could explain it. Number 1. Albert Einstein. He did not start speaking until he was 4 and he failed his university entrance exam in 1895, at the age of 17. Einstein is considered as one of the greatest revolutionary scientists the world has ever known. One of the greatest scientists of the 20th century, Einstein's special theory of relativity revolutionized physics, which even challenged the scientists at CERN. He established the world's most famous equation E=mc², on which the atomic bomb is also based. This rare genius was awarded Nobel Prize in 1921 for his work on theoretical physics and discovery of the photoelectric effect.
Отже, записуємо в зошит імена 10 найкращих вчених, найвеличніших вчених. Number 10 – Aristotle. Number 9 – Galileo Galilei. Number 8 – Archimedes. Number 7 – Michael Faraday. Number 6 – Thomas Alva Edison. Number 5 – Marie Curie. Number 4 – Louis Pasteur. Number 3 – Nikola Tesla. Number 2 – Isaac Newton. And number 1 – Albert Einstein. Поставте відео на паузу, запишіть імена. А ось перед вами 10 фактів їхніх відкриттів і їхніх відомостей. Отже, виберіть, кому що належить. Якщо треба, перегляньте відео ще раз.